Hey guys, Chris Razor here again with Xtreme Polishing Systems. Today I'm going to be going over our #1 selling grinder. It's our Concrete Genie. We've been selling this grinder for well over 10 years now. I want to walk you through it so you can really see the pros to our machine versus some of the competition that's tried to replicate it over the years. But as always, make sure you like and subscribe to the videos so you can constantly be seeing that new content that we're constantly putting out. As for the unit, the Concrete Genie, it is a single phase 220 volt variable speed grinder. It can run on 30 amps. If you're running an extended amount of cord, I'd like to see you on a 40 amp breaker. If you're ever running on a generator, I've found that the 17,500 watt Generac works perfect for the grinder. A good vacuum that you can pair with this and all be self-contained, run your hand grinders and everything like that. So if you're going to run on a generator, 17,500 watt, I'd recommend. That'll give you the ability again to run the grinder, the vac, maybe some hand grinders, things like that. You can also plug it right into a dryer outlet, so you'll be able to get your dryer plugs and unplug the homeowner's dryer plug and plug this right back into that. As for the unit and how it's put together, it's a polycarbonate outer housing, so it's not a fiberglass. You're not going to worry about it cracking or anything like that. It does come within a 6-gallon water tank. There is a removable weight. It's an extra 35 pounds, gives you a little bit additional head pressure. If you come back here, this is where we would control the water from. So we'd fill the water in here in the front, and then we'd be able to control the amount of flow of water coming out from right here. There's a vacuum port right here on the side. That you'll come with a adapter that you can plug right on top of here and then put your 2-inch vacuum hose right on top of that. You can see below there's an opening. You can see how close this plate actually truly gets to the edge. But when you do this, you'll put this shroud, it'll go right around the bottom. That'll self-contain all the dust. Anytime we're leaning the unit back, I want to make sure that we take the weight off, set that on the ground. Make sure that you lift this lever right here on the right-hand side. That'll lift it up. I want you to lift it like this. Put your foot on the back and you'll be able to lean it right down. There's a little kickstand that'll sit on there. If you come to the unit right here, it's got our magnetic plates, our patented magnetic plates. Gives you the versatility to run a lot of different style of tools. You can run PCDs, 2-seg traps, 5-seg, 6-seg, 8-seg, 10-seg diamond tools. So you're not going to limit yourself to the type of tooling that can actually go on the bottom of this. And having that versatility gives you the ability to do heavy removal, refinement, surface profiling, polishing. So a lot of versatility there. Behind it is our 602 Moreflex couplers. That's what gives the head some flexibility, but yet rigid enough to cut and flatten your floors. One head goes clockwise, the other goes counterclockwise, so they're always working against themselves. It's a lot less stress on the user. So that's a pro there, or anytime you're trying to flatten the floor, that's a really good thing. We were mentioning the tooling and how you get so much versatility. Here's just some of the different options. These are our traps. And like I said, they're magnetic, so it's an 80-pound magnet. They slip right on there. You cannot pull these things off. You can run, here's an example of a 6-seg round, goes right in that slot. PCDs for thin set, mastic, any type of coating or removal on a slab. Again, right there, just pops right on. Super easy to do, not worrying about bolting or hammering something in place. And then anytime you want to take a tool off, take a flathead screwdriver, just break that magnetic field. Very easy. Again, here and around, you can do it from the back side, pops right off. PCDs. So it's super easy, super quick. So when you're on a job and trying to figure out what diamond to use on that slab, you don't have to sit there for an hour or 30 minutes trying to replace the tooling. I'm going to lean the unit back down. Again, making sure my foot's behind here just so it doesn't slam down. The handle's in the upright position. If you ever need to pick it up, say put it in the bed of a truck, you need to carry it down into a basement, up a second story. You come with these poles here, they go right in the front. So one guy will pick up from here and the other guy will pick up from right here. I put the handle right in that position. Two guys can pick it up move it up and down steps, basement, truck, so on and so forth. When you come to the back of the unit, it's a 5 horsepower Siemens motor, variable speed. You're going to see this control panel. This is our on-off switch, our emergency stop. Anytime we get into some situation we need to stop it very quickly, we can. Our speed control is right here. You'll also see a digital readout here. That's just going to show your RPMs or hertz, whatever you prefer. If you come below here, this is where our 5 horsepower Siemens motor is. If we ever need to change the tools and we need to level the unit out, we can right here by this. Super easy to do. That'll actually level it. There's a little leveling mechanism to ensure that we're level. You will get 50 foot of cord with the unit. It's come just like this. So 50 foot does come with it. It's a little plug here. We'll just plug right in the back of the unit. And then we'll just plug it in the power supply. If you guys have any additional questions or would like to place an order, please reach me at the number below. Thanks and have a great day.